Today we have a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is Dunkin' Donuts employee tries cashing $7,000 fake check, leaves in handcuffs.
On October 7th, 2025, officers responded to a bank after a woman attempted to cash a fraudulent $7,000 check from an account that wasn't hers.
TD Bank.
Where have you? Hey, how are you? All right.
They first asked us to come to police, and that's already there's a fake check. She's here.
There. I got this stuff. It's gonna be here. So I didn't make contact with her yet. So. See you again.
Nah, don't try and walk out.
Ma'am, can you come in for a second?
Try to pull a fast one. Nah, you not slick. You not going nowhere. Only place you going to is jail. Try to walk on the phone. Okay.
Can you just hang up the phone real quick?
You wasn't talking to nobody anyway.
So there's apparently there's a issue going on right now. All right. So.
41. I just want to make sure you're talking to the female or worker.
Yeah, from. So the bank contacted us. The check that you're trying to cash, this one? Yeah. Correct? All right. And this is your ID? Yeah. Correct? All right. So, how'd you get here?
Papa Delta John.
What car?
My friend's in the car.
In the car over there?
Yeah.
What kind of car?
White Camry.
White Camry?
There's nobody in there? There is.
Do you want to check?
Okay.
They got up out of there.
What's his name?
I actually don't know his name. This is my friend's friend.
Your friend's friend?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how did you come in possession of the check?
He gave me a check for having solar panels. And
He gave you the check?
Installment, yeah.
Okay. And who is he? What's his name?
That's my friend's friend.
Okay. And who's your friend that had you meet up with him?
His name is Eli.
Eli? Okay. Where's he reside?
So
Where's he live?
he lives in Jersey.
In Jersey? Do you know where?
No.
Okay. Do you know his last name?
No, I just know his name is Eli.
Do you know his phone number?
She don't know nothing.
And you still live...
Wait, so what's the problem right
You still live here?
No.
Where do you live?
I moved upstate.
Upstate New York?
Yeah.
Where upstate? What's the current address?
I just moved there.
So, the issue is with the check right now. They stated that they spoke with the name here, Lois. They're reporting the check as stolen.
Stolen?
Or fraudulent. So, it's a fraudulent check.
Good work, man. Good work. Not a lot of body cam comes out of New York. So, good stuff. Good stuff. You know, obviously this is more downstate. Probably. But yeah, she said she live upstate now.
Yeah, she said the white Camry in the other lot there. All right. So, where wouldn't he go? Your friend's friends, you know? Don't call him, just...
I'm so confused right now. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah.
So
She
he
keep
gave
reaching
you
for
the
that
check?
phone.
Yeah.
Okay. And when, I'm guessing on the way here, or?
Yeah.
Okay. And they...
Cash it or?
Cash it, yeah.
Does he have an account here?
I don't know nothing about him. He's like literally my friend's friend.
Okay.
So what did you do? Bring the check down here and...
He gave me the check, told me, cash this. Cash it. I didn't know nothing about no fraud, nothing. I don't even know. I have no idea. If he left me here, that's so weird.
That's bad.
Yeah.
I don't even,
So-
even know who. I'm only 19.
You go.
Yeah.
That's how big is the check?
$7,344.
That seems a little weird. You know what time right now?
Am I in Jersey?
Yeah.
You're in Jersey, yeah. So, what made you guys come all the way to Jersey to cash this?
So, I was ready.
Let's go in here.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm confused. So they're in Jersey? So she must be from New York. She's from New York, but they went over to Jersey to commit this crime.
I was already
You can have a seat.
I was already in Jersey with them, so when
Where in Jersey?
I don't really know much about them here.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie.
Stand over here, buddy.
Yeah. So, what were you guys doing in Jersey? Or
I just got off of work.
where do you work?
I work at Dunkin' Donuts,
What town?
but up in upstate New York.
Up there by Newburgh. And that's the phone number that you guys been contacting back and forth with?
Yeah.
Do you have any text messages between each other, or
No.
No, just phone.
I barely talk to this.
Okay. Now, how's your friend know him?
I don't even know. I think I can't even tell you. I don't know.
So, like I said, the issue is they contacted the owner of the check due to the amount, and the owner of the check said it's a fraudulently issued check. So they're saying that they never issued this check.
So like what now?
We're trying to gather all the information right now. I mean, with what you're saying, unfortunately, you're the only one here. So, I mean, it really comes down to a certain couple things. So do you have anybody else around here, or just whoever brought you here?
I have to see around here.
What did you do? Get the phone with me. What are we doing?
Looking at the map.
Okay, we can do that later. Stand up. Look at that.
Do you have anything on you? Anything in your pockets or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
So,
You have me, okay?
Yeah, old timer definitely running the show. Definitely running the show. I don't know. He must have had a new Jacks with him today, because it's like, damn, right there, right. This is why I could tell, right? The first thing was when they got in there or whatever, he had to tell him where to stand, which is the right spot. You want to stand near the door. You know what I'm saying? Even when I was in corrections and we had to bring inmates, into the public or whatever, like maybe to the hospital or whatever, like doctor's appointments, whatever, right? Courts, all that type of stuff. You always stand near the door. You see what I'm saying? So you can monitor people coming in and out, whatever. You don't want people to escape or whatever. It's the same type of thing with this. She is a suspect, right? Even though there's other cops in there, but they're doing other things. They're doing interviews. They're taking, writing, getting statements and this and that. Like, they're all over the place, right? So by him standing in the back with the glass, she could skedaddle up out of there, you know what I mean? And now they got to chase her out. So he had to tell him, yo, stand over here on this side or whatever to block it in. And then again, this whole phone situation, this officer been telling her from the get-go, put the phone down, put the phone down, put the phone down. Like, because you don't want them out there calling, yo, get out of here. You know what I mean? Or sending messages, sending signals or whatever. Like, get away. Like, it's hot, So once again, the old timer officer catches her on the phone again in the presence of the police, the other officer. Like, it's like, yo, what we doing with this phone, man? Oh, she just looking at the man. No phone. What part? No phone. Don't anybody understand around here, man? Damn.
You got any idea?
And then another thing, this is off the topic, man, but for the New York people, y'all know, man. Listen, it's crazy how like city folk think that Newburgh is upstate. That shit is not upstate. Upstate is like Albany and above, like Albany, Utica, Syracuse, Rochester, Buffalo. That's upstate. Newburgh is not no upstate, man. Newburgh, Poughkeepsie, like that shit is like, no, like that's not upstate. Upstate is Albany and above, man. Yeah, like where it get real cold up there. Yeah.
Yeah, Tom Scott. Yeah, there should be a couple guys. All right, we're gonna go out to this first car, right behind that blue car. Go around. Yeah. Driver's side, back, just stand at the back. No, 906. Here. Got it. All right, we just have a seat in there. There. Be right back. She says it was a white Toyota Camry, about 2012 model. Doesn't only knows the guy as Eli.
Right, I'll check the video. We'll probably get the license plate.
So she said she doesn't even know him.
That's what they all said.
Yeah.
The suspect was charged with felony forgery after attempting to withdraw funds from a bank account that did not belong to her using a fraudulent check. Thanks for watching the video.
Yeah. 19? You getting hemmed up like that at 19? That's crazy, man. Dunkin' Donuts got people. Whatever, man. Whatever. Just work, grind, and eventually you'll get there, man. You know what I'm saying? The more hard work you put in, you know, down the line, you know, you'll be able to reap the benefits, as they would say, you know.